Would you believe there's a very simple way to decorate your home for any holiday that takes very little time, money, or storage space? Hi everyone, I'm Pam with Organizer AZ911. Today I want to share with you a decoration idea that is very easy to make and can be modified to fit any holiday throughout the year. It requires very little time and money to create, and it takes up very little storage space. You know, it seems like there's so much more pressure these days to go bigger and more elaborate with our holiday decorations. But when we try to recreate that perfect or ideal setting, the only thing we end up creating is a lot of stress and disorganization for ourselves. So in an effort to reduce that stress, when it comes to decorating in our homes, less can really be more. Now hear me out. Instead of decorating your entire home, just pick one room in your home to fully decorate, and then let the rest of the house remain more functional. This is something I've been doing for years. As for decorating touches in the rest of the home, well, that's the idea I wanted to share with you today. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'll show you a couple of extra ways you can modify this idea. There are other places around your home that are great for. Okay, so all you need for this decorating idea is a battery-operated candle and some window clings. Battery-operated candles not only add a safer option, especially if you have young children, but they also work really well if you want to embellish them with window clings. Many of the battery-operated candles also come with timer settings, so you won't have to run around turning them on and off manually every day. You can find battery-operated candles at the Dollar Tree, Walmart, Target, Michael's, or even Amazon. They range anywhere in price from $1.25 to around $20. You can find all sorts of window clings at those stores too, ranging anywhere in price from $1.25 to around $15. So here are some of the ways I decorate my battery-operated candles. I absolutely love the fall season. So for this demonstration, I used both short and tall candles. But it's up to you on what you want. I used a small base from the dollar store, some pine cones varying in size, which you can use for other decor too, some raffia, mini acrylic pumpkins I found at the Dollar Tree, fake acorns, glitter balls I also found at the Dollar Tree, and lastly, you'll need fall-themed window clings. I found tons of cute ones on Amazon. To start, I wiped the candles down with a damp paper towel so the clings would apply easily. I later found out that wetting the clings themselves was much easier. Depending on your style, you can take this type of decor in either direction. I personally love these scarecrows and I had to use them. You can make these candles sophisticated or a little more whimsical, especially if you have kids. Now you don't have to make each of these, so don't bust your budget. I just wanted to show you various ways you could take this hack and apply it in your home. Which of these fall candles is your favorite? For Halloween, again, you can use the candles with the same base. I also used mini pumpkins again, but this time I also grabbed some webbing at the dollar store and some Halloween clings on Amazon. And bam, 2 Halloween candles in a matter of minutes. Minimal effort and a ton of fun for the spooky season. Love is in the air, especially for this decoration hack. Decorating the candles for Valentine's uses the same candles and base, sweetheart candies, various bow ribbons from the dollar store, and Valentine's themed clings. Again, this allows for so many variations each year and allows you to get the kids involved in the decorating. It's so cute and minimal, and it's easy to store. You guessed it, candles and base. I found these Easter beads on Amazon. These colorful bow ribbons and this garland was from the dollar store. It looked very Easter colored to me, so I had to grab it. And the Easter window clings came from Amazon. So cute! And lastly, 4th of July was pretty simple and straightforward. I just used ribbon and clings. It's good to remember to keep it super simple, as it will help you save on space when you have to store these clings in between the holidays. So what do you think? Would this idea help ease some of the decorating work for you during the holidays? Let me know in the comments. And if you liked this video and are looking for more tips on how to make the holiday season less stressful, be sure to check out my holiday organizing playlist. I'll put the link in the iCard above, as well as in the description box below. Be sure to check them out. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. I like to place these decorative candles in my kitchen and even my guest bathroom, just to add a little festive touch around the rest of my home during the holidays.